Hi there. Welcome to the next lesson in the same series, which is the power words for SAT examination. And here we will start with alphabet P, the vocabularies which are starting with alphabet P. So the first word that we are looking at is 154, which is painstaking. Painstaking is an adjective, and it means meticulous or attentive to detail. 155. Partition. Partition would mean it's a noun, and it means a devoted supporter of a group, cause, or person. 156. Paucity. Paucity is a noun, and it means sarcastic or 156. This means paucity. Paucity is a noun and it means scarcity or poverty. 157. Pedantic. Pedantic is an adjective and it means overly concerned with irrelevant details or somebody who's fussy. The next word that we are looking at is perfunctory. Perfunctory is an adjective and what it means is done without much effort, care and thought. 159. Perseverance. Perseverance is a noun and it means persistent in the face of obstacles. The next one is pervasive. Pervasive is an adjective and it means found everywhere. Generally, it is used in negative sense. The next word that we are looking at is phlegmatic. Phlegmatic is an adjective and it means cool and unruffled. 162. Next word. Pith. Pith is a noun and it means the essential substance of something. 163. Placate. Placate is a verb and it means to calm a person. The next word is plausible. Plausible is an adjective and it means something which is believable or reasonable. Now we move to the next word, 165. It is plethora. Plethora is a noun and it means a surplus or overabundance of something. 166. Plummet. Plummet is a verb and it means to fall quickly and far. Sometimes we see in the share market plummets. 167. It means the word here is polemical. Polemical is an adjective and it means hostile or angry. 168. Pragmatic. Pragmatic is an adjective and it means practical. It's a pragmatic approach and we must take it. The next word we are looking at is precarious. Precarious is an adjective and it means uncertain or unstable. Next word here is pristine. Pristine is an adjective and it means untouched, clean, pure. 171. Probity. Probity is an adjective and it means integrity and honor. The next one is 172. Prodigal. Prodigal is a noun and it means a reckless spender. Next is prodigious. Prodigious is an adjective and it means enormous or immense. The next word we are looking at is number 174, which is proliferate. Proliferate is a verb and it means to multiply and spread rapidly. 175. Propriety. Propriety is a noun and it means appropriateness or decorum. Next, quotidian. Quotidian is an adjective and it means related to the everyday or a mundane. 177. Reconcile. Reconcile is a verb and it means to bring into harmony. The next word we are looking at is number 179. This is relentless. Relentless is an adjective. It means never stopping or constant. Now we look at word number 180. It is reproach. Reproach is a verb and it means to scold or express criticism. 181. Repudiate. Repudiate is a verb and it means to renounce or disown. Next is rescind. R-E-S-C-I-N-D. Rescind is a verb that means to retract or take back a statement or an offer. 183. Reticent. Reticent is an adjective and it means hesitant to speak or someone who is introvert. The next word that we look at is reverent. Reverent is an adjective and it means respectful or solemn. The next word is salubrious. Salubrious is an adjective and it means health promoting. 186. Satiate. Satiate is a verb and it means to completely satisfy, generally used for appetite or hunger. 187. Sedulous. Sedulous is an adjective and it means dedicated and careful. So the next word that we are looking at is number 188, which is solicitous. Solicitous is an adjective and it means considerate or attentive. 189. This is sparse. Sparse is adjective which means scattered or something which is scarce. 190. Sporadic. Sporadic is adjective and it means occasional or scattered. 191. Spurious. Spurious is an adjective and it means fake or false. 192. Stolid. Stolid is an adjective and it means calm and dependable. Next one here is 193. That is substantiate. Substantiate is a verb and it means to corroborate or give evidence of something. 194. Supplant. Supplant is a verb that means to overtake or replace. Next is sycophant. Sycophant is a noun which means insincere admirer. 196. The next word is synthesize. Synthesize is a verb and it means to combine disparate parts into a coherent whole. The next word that we are looking at here is tacit. Tacit is an adjective and it means unspoken. 198. This is taciturn or taciturn. Taciturn is an adjective and it means reserved. Next is temperance. Temperance is a noun and what it means is moderation and restraint. Generally, it is used for keeping away from consumption of alcohol. Number 200, this is tirade. Tirade is a verb and it means an angry rant. Somebody who's angry and keeps going on and on. So now the next word we are looking at is transient. Transient means something that passes quickly and it's an adjective. 202. Ubiquitous or ubiquitous. It is an adjective and it means ever present or universal. 203. Undermine. Undermine is a verb and it means to weaken or compromise. 204. Vacillate. Vacillate is a verb to shift between different options or opinions. The next word that we are looking at is venerate. Venerate is a verb and it means to give a high degree of respect. 206. Veracity. Veracity is a noun and it means truth and factual accuracy. 207. Vexation. Vexation is adjective and it means state of being frustrated or irritated. The next word we are looking at is whimsical. Whimsical is an adjective that means fanciful or capricious. So thank you so much guys for your patience. We are done with this chapter of power words with meaning and explanation. We will continue into the next lesson or the next chapter after this. You can make notes while you are going through these videos, or we will anyways provide you with a PDF copy with this. So once you have the PDF, it will be easier for you to look at these words again and again. My suggestion is more to understand than to memorize it. And still, it depends on individual usage. How do you prefer to work on with it? Thank you so much for your time and see you in the next lesson.